Hello everyone and welcome to Busy Little Minds. Today I'm going to be doing a book review on The Thing About Jellyfish. So without any further ado, let's go! Losing someone who is close to you is a heartbreaking experience, and it can profoundly affect anyone, especially a young person. Susie lost her best friend Franny not once but twice. The first time when Franny drifted away from Susie into a group of pretty popular girls, and the second time when Franny drowned in the Atlantic Ocean. The Thing About Jellyfish by Ali Benjamin is a must-read. This fascinating, poignant story will stay with you long after you close the final pages. The passing of her best friend affected Susie in ways that cannot be seen with just your eyes. Susie stopped talking altogether, resolving to find the reason why Franny drowned. Susie is convinced that the sting from a rare jellyfish caused her friend's death, and she obsesses over this idea. As the book goes on, we learn many more things about Susie and her friendship with Franny, and the reason why Susie is so distraught. It turns out, a carefully planned trip to Australia is just what Susie needs to forgive herself and move on. I really don't have anything bad to say about The Thing About Jellyfish. I loved every page of the book because each part of it was meaningful. I loved the science references, the real people who studied jellyfish, and especially the characters who didn't really fit in, such as Justin and Sarah. All in all, I really recommend this book and I rate it 10 out of 10. The end. Looking for more tasteful book reviews? Check out my channel for more middle grade book reviews. Are you also interested in science? You're in luck! My channel has many science videos explaining topics from all kinds of science, biology, physics, and chemistry. Thanks for watching!